Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete blank rows. This is a list of healthcare providers I downloaded online. As you can see, when pasted in Excel, here and there are blank rows, and I just wanted to delete them and rework the list. I could just filter out the blank rows, like here, filter, and then blanks, right? Or I could just go here, find and select, go to special, click on blanks, okay. It's showing out all the blanks and delete sheet rows. So now you see everything, all the blank rows are deleted. However, this may not be a good way to do it because if the list or table has only a couple of dozens of rows and I can see the table or the list like in just one screen over here, then it's okay. Otherwise, if the rows are very long, has many columns out of the screen that cannot be seen here, deleting one row because some columns are showing blanks, are we're gonna delete the rows with data. So this is okay, but I wanted to make it looks a little bit better by separating each provider instead of like this. So, for example, Carbon Health over here is one provider, CVS a second one, Carbon Health here is a third one, and so on, right? So, what I could do is I could insert a blank row over here, another blank row over here, but then this is going to be very manual. So let me show you a quick and simple way to work the list. Over here, as you can see, the blank rows are still here, right? On the column right next to the list here, I will put in a formula showing that if column A here is blank, if I would type in a K as for keep, or otherwise it's going to be blank. Then copy down. Then on the next right hand side column, I put in formula with a function code this. The code function is actually showing the number of the character. So each character has a number, right? So in here, uh, let's find out a common thing to separate the providers. And I can see that this is the mileage, right? The distance, in other words. This one separate the first one and the second, this one the second and the third. So I use the code 40 to show that if this row over here, the first character is a code 40, code 40 is actually an open parenthesis right here. Then I will use it as the delimiter or delineator. So in this function over here, so actually I want to look at on column A which row has code 40, but be sure that it's going to point not the same row over here, but one row above it. Because otherwise you will get a duplicate over here and this one is going to be deleted. Then the third column, I will put in a formula saying that if both B and C equal blank, type in DEL like delete. Otherwise it's going to be blank. copy formula down, and it's showing del, 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 del. Now, one simple way to do it is to just kind of filter the del, and I want to make sure that all the columns over here are showing blank before I delete them. So now I can just kind of delete all of these rows. And voila, this is what I want. One blank row separating each provider. And then finally, I can just delete all these columns. So this wraps up my video. If you like it, please check out my other videos.